Hello everybody, this is the Drunken Collector coming to you from the basement behind the bar. So today we're going to be doing an event exclusive figuarts sdcc vegetto, and let's get this started. Alright. So, box looks pretty good. As with the cell, I really enjoy the coloring. It's nice and bright, kind of reminiscent of those old Tamashi boxes. Okay, well, let's get this plastic off of here, which I just love taking off. Actually, this is a pretty easy one for me. But I love the blue on the hair. First off, it's definitely an improvement. It's definitely an improvement, I think, from the Super Saiyan Blue Vegeta and Goku. This is really making me angry. I'm gonna end up breaking this thing. It is a 1.0. So, okay, there we go, finally. So, as I did just say, it is a 1.0 figure. So, they just did a quick repaint and never really made a 2.0 sculpt, which I guess isn't, I mean, it's a solid looking figure, so I'm not going to be too upset about it. Your waist swivels, doesn't have an ab crunch, however, I like that on this specific figure because the torso is not all loose like I've seen in the past on 1.0 figures. So that's definitely good. Now it does have these weird shoulder, I don't know what you want to call them, where the gi attaches on the back of the shoulder. Those drive me absolutely bonkers. Can't stand them. The shading on the legs is very good. Oh, look at that. We got a little scuff mark there on them already. Can we see that? We got a little scuff mark right out of the box. Look at that. But shading on the gi is fantastic. Really enjoy that. We got some, yeah, very good posability on the legs, and since it is a 1.0 figure, you don't have that extra little piece in here to worry about getting stuck when you move the leg. So, the neck, actually, if you can see that, has different shading on it than the shoulders, so that's a little bit of an eyesore there. But as usual, okay, well, you do get, because of the neck, you do get to move the head a little more than Goku with Super Saiyan Gokus. And take a look at that. What comes in the box here with them. So we have the SS Blue faces. We have the regular Saiyan heads. We have his sword hand, energy blast hands, and then Kamehameha gripping hands, whatever you'd like to call it. We have his crossed arms and the energy sword effect, which always is a pleasure to play around with. Let's get this guy on there. guessing this is how he's going to go in the case, so I won't end up putting the fists back on him today. This, look at that. Somebody is ready to fight Zamasu. Oh, I never noticed that. There's a peg hole on the bottom of the energy sword effect there. That'll actually, wish I knew that this entire time I've had a Vegetto. I'm gonna have to see if the old one has that as well. That would have been very nice to know, because it is a little floppy here. So, but pleased, definitely pleased for the price. I mean, I think this came out at $45 or $50 or something like that. So for the price point, it was definitely a good investment. And they, I would have rather paid that than a 2.0 sculpt, for $60 or $80. So yeah, there we go. Just a quick one today. Nothing. I really don't have a lot of time, so here he is. Let's see, what do I have lying around here in front of me? I have the Dragon Stars, Kaioken, Goku, which came out of the box loose, I might add, which I was very displeased with. Yeah, look at that. Look at how depressing that is. Came out of the box right like that. Doesn't even want to stand. Yeah. See what you did. I need a beer. Delicious. And here he is next to Golden Frieza. Oh, Golden Frieza's big. Look at him. Phew. And what else do we have here? Ah, I know. We have our friend Miller High Life. Here he is next to a can of Miller High Life. So overall, definitely would have to say pleased about picking up one of these. Actually, I ended up picking up two now that I'm thinking about it. So I'm definitely pleased about that. I'll probably leave one boxed up and just hold on to it. Maybe Vegetto will make an appearance in some other form, and then I'll have a reason to use that as a display piece. But for right now, let's get this guy in the cabinet. Coming to you from behind the bar in the Drunken Collector's basement. As always, have a good day.